happened, Craig?
Someone burned me.
What happened? It's hot? I thought it wasn't that hot, Craig.
Someone burned me.
You gonna be okay? Kids. Sup? Just hanging out on the... Yeah, that's right, Craig. I said sup. Still got it. Hanging on the veranda with bananas. Just waiting for them to ripen. Yeah, those are real. I know. Huh. Well, we are losing the mouse war. We've got some bait. it's taken the bait, and now it's just a matter of time. Drink to that. Yeah, jury's also out on the power of motivation, specifically the external kind, because you'd be amazed at how early Dave got up this morning without any issues and got his uniform. He has the best pressed chonies in town because they were still a little wet, but he was determined. I said last night, like, hey, if you get all your stuff ready, raring to go, and your school is everything's ready, and all you got to do is head out the door, then I guess you can play. And sure enough, he's raring to go, and now speeding away in the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit extravaganza. So we're getting the boys off to school. Everybody's on a new day, a new opportunity to prove themselves. Still no Wi-Fi yet. Let's just say yesterday's homework sesh did not go so well, and I said I'm done. And I was done. And so it was. So, gloomy morning this morning. We're going to get them off to school. See you soon. It's raining.
Why are we not people? As we are come on.
All right, a little nervous on this one. It's almost 7:30, and we're just getting to the taxi now because it's a little wet out. Doing great, gentlemen. Yeah. Get them off to school one way or the other. Hope they don't miss the bus. He stopped?
Yeah.
Cool, give me the umbrella. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Hi, kids. Okay, call this the circle of trust in some shows, but Craig, bring back my umbrella. I don't know what that means. Bring back my umbrella. Good luck. Yes. Bring back the umbrella, Craig. Yes, goodbye. Then you'll leave yourself too. Goodbye.
You where they get junior money? Where she pick them up?
Okay, not good. I gotta go rescue the peppers in the rain. Go! Going! Yeah, I know. Look at you. Who told you guys to stay out in the rain and drown yourself? Nobody. Yeah, we need to dry you guys off. Don't lose. Yeah, and you, out of the rain. Out of the rain. We're not gonna die today. You hear me? Not today. You. A little extra out. Yeah, and then out of the rain. You hear? Yeah, you, bottle. Not my friend right now. You guys are soaked. How many times? How many times? We've discussed this. Alright, you guys are good? Okay. Yeah, Rooster, I hear you. You've been going since 5:40 this morning. You better run. Yeah. You sure? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Walk away slowly. Okay, I know. I have water boots. They do exist. But when they get left out in the rain, the fun thing about water boots is that they keep the water out, but they also keep the water in. So they're soaking wet right now. Chickens, I don't think we're going outside today, man. It is wet. There's a river. You don't want to do this. You don't want to go out here. Yeah, you guys want to stay dry. There is a river flowing through the land. I don't know. Hi. But it appears the rain has held up for a few moments anyway. And the lake is back. That's how you know you got a bunch of water. You'll be alright, bananas. Just do what you can. Great. Alright, it's been a first. Even the back tank water is full. More importantly, let's be impressed by the tape. Like, water's literally coming out of the top of the tank. But that one piece of tape right there, it's holding strong. Alright, chickens, let's get some food. Alright, true story. We're at the bottom of the bag, literally. So we're just gonna take that and try and get through the rough terrain in one piece. I'll give you a POV. Okay. Path of least resistance. Here we go. All right. We did it. You guys, time to eat. Yeah, it's time. Someone's been enjoying you. We'll save what we can. Alright, on second thought, unfortunately, something's been enjoying my cabbage just a little too much, so we're gonna let the chickens enjoy this one and we'll grab a different one. Cool. Get him. Right, cabbage processing has been done. Not bad. Pretty good size this time around. There you go, dear.
Cabbage. Nice.
That's it? That's the excitement I get. I spent 2 to 3 months growing it
And
processing it, caring for it, and I come back in the house and what does she say? Cabbage. That's nice.
that's not what I said, John.
What did you say?
I said nice cabbage.
It's not the first time you've told me nice cabbage, but I'll take it. Might be the last, the rate I'm going.
Well,
Not bad.
no more not there.
Well, we
And
lost
bug?
one. One of them had a bug eating a bunch of it, so I gave it to the
Chickens.
chickens. Yeah, we paid it forward to the chicken gods. Although I just realized I forgot to collect the eggs. Going back. And I got so caught up in the cabbage moment, I forgot to do the one thing besides feed the chickens that I was supposed to do and get their eggs and chase off roosters. Yeah, you. Go away. Alright, eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Uh-huh. You know, when life gives you cabbage and you bring that cabbage to the better half of your existence, and then she comes back after you've already cleaned your feet and washed up, she comes back and is like, well, why didn't you just pick all of them? Don't have a response. I just respectfully put my slippers back on, head back out to the foggy wilderness, woo, and pick cabbage. You just sit there for a second, okay, while I get all your friends. Yeah, and you, look at that, bugs have been eating you too. Not cool, dude. I'm gonna call this the cabbage stand. It's a working title. Oi. Okay, yeah, you gotta get to the cabbage before the bugs do. Man. You're coming with me. And last but not least, hello. You get... Ow, I'm okay. Come on. Sorry, Andre. I had to go. Okay. Well, figured out what's eating my cabbage. Yeah, you. You, right there. Little frogs in my cabbage. Not cool, dude. Not cool. He didn't even ask, man. If all you had to do was ask, I would have gave you some. But no, you guys. There was like 3 of them. 3 of you guys in my cabbage. That's right. I'm zooming in on you. How do you sleep at night eating my cabbage? Rude. Man. Right. Chickens are getting a cabbage buffet today, man. All you can eat. Whew. Got the cabbages processed. Found like 6 little frogs. Lesson learned, man. They're gonna enjoy some cabbage for days, hopefully. Okay, dear. Some cabbage. I'm gonna give them to you.
Why?
Because you told me to pick the cabbage.
Yeah, but cabbage.
You just said it was better that they were in the fridge and not out there. Okay, so look, cabbage.
Oh, fun.
That's the face of impressed cabbage right there. On the inside, she's like, wow, I can't believe you went out there in the mud, in the wilderness to collect these cabbage for me and brought them back in here, processed them, fed the chickens, collected the eggs. He's great.
You know where's the fuzzy and
Thanks, dear. You too.
you wash your mouth?
Yep.
What kind of time?
Yourself.
Okay.
Cool. Man, so just the other day we were discussing the things we love and don't love about Jamaica, and I forgot something, you know? I forgot the bugs. How could you forget one of the biggest daily competitors to your happiness, the bugs? And not just any bugs, like today it was little frogs. Later on, it'll be mosquitoes. Never mind the little ants. Now, there's different types of ants. We got the mad ants that go crazy, little ones that love to bite and guerrilla warfare you, much like the mosquitoes. Then we got the red ants, the big ones, the ones that they pack a powerful punch, but at least you can see them coming. And don't forget, there's the spiders that we got around here, albeit not poisonous that I know of. Yeah, spiders, they're fun. There's some big ones. Yeah, good times. Although they kind of take care of the mosquitoes, so at least I tell myself that when I see them. And then you got the little lizards, you got, I don't know, different size lizards. You got the smaller ones, the medium-sized ones, the big ones, croco lizards, I think my wife calls them. Yeah. So now that's to be expected living in a rainforest setting. But yeah, it's amusing. When the rain comes out, man, all the critters got to come out of their hiding place and tell you what's up. Or sup if they're progressive. And never mind the four-legged critters, man. We got the little friend in the kitchen still, who's still on the warpath. We're in the slowly but surely method on that one and hope they will meet their demise soon. And then you have the bigger four-legged friends, which, you know, the dogs around here are quite interesting because technically, you know, they are people's dogs, I guess. You know, they have a home per se, but dogs are not treated, as you probably know, here the same as they are in foreign, man. They are free to roam, and they don't accept other people's jurisdictions freely. So yeah, you gotta keep track of the dogs and try to keep them out of your yard as best as possible, especially when you have, you know, things that the dogs may want to eat. Yeah. And we got the wild roosters that'll wake you up at 5:45 in the morning, like this morning and yesterday morning, and have no shame. They don't understand daylight savings time. I don't get it, you know, whether it's 5:45 in the morning or 6:45, they don't care. They're gonna wake you up anyway. There's some cats around here. They've actually been pretty cool. I've seen them hanging out next to the chickens, hanging out next to the dogs, paying their own respects. You know, I've seen them on the veranda here a few times. Thank you, security cameras. But yeah, the birds are pretty awesome. They chirp away pretty consistently. They seem to be enjoying themselves or laughing at our expense. Probably that's what I would be doing. But yeah, you can't discredit or you can't live in an environment like this without talking about all of the little creatures and potentials. Truck. So yeah, silly of me. How could I forget all of the living things around you that, and wasps and bees and good times. But don't love. Putting that in the don't love category. Not at all. But it's a small price to pay for this. You know when you feel like you've processed some cabbage and you're like, hey honey, the cabbage is ready to go. And you give it to her. And this is what you end up with. Now the cabbage is ready to go. I guess.
I know.
Apparently I missed a few leaves.
No, it's good. I know that. You see, when you're going to eat it black, yeah.
Yeah.
So you gotta wash it.
I know, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, well. And now it's ready to go. Cool. So my wife and I have this ongoing debate of how ripe the banana needs to be in order to actually consume it. See Exhibit A. There's the bananas starting to ripen. I see this one here. And what's the trick? If it comes off easily, it's ready to go? What? Okay, I won't cut off any. Gotcha. Just try it.
I don't want so much. Bite off this hungry. That sound like it green. I don't like one.
It's perfectly fine. Bananas. All right. Today marks a momentous occasion. First wear of the new Aeropostale hoodie. Beautiful weather. In order to get to wear it, encourage my wife to wear hers, but she's like, it's like when dudes go out, like you both can't wear the same baseball cap because otherwise it's kind of weird. So I get to wear the cool jacket and then she gets to wear my other cool jacket. So I'm not sure how that works exactly, but we make the best of it.
Yeah, well, if you don't wear a new jacket, you're always wanting a bit of
Yeah, but this is the perfect occasion to get to do it. Good morning. Right? It's a perfect occasion. Gloomy weather, cool breeze, puddles, and as Dave would say, it smells like AC. It actually still smells like the mall. Like, you know how like certain scents bring back memories? She's not listening, but you are. Thank you. Yeah, certain scents will bring back memories
don't live like people do.
Yeah, this definitely makes me miss Panama already.
Good or bad.
That's
a memory that we have.
I don't know that one, dear.
Go listen to it.
Oh, I'm listening to it, all right.
That's
what I'm worried about. So, we're gonna go to Highgates today, but
we can still go, yeah?
We could. Oh, well, I only have a 5,000. I don't know if the taxi driver's going to appreciate.
You give them his money?
Yeah.
Take out $300.
Did you? You did?
What?
What?
I said, you're saying that they don't have the more want if you take out $300?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to change a 5,000 sometimes.
Well, if rain is coming down, then we got to get a taxi come back over here because
we'll melt.
In the
Well,
rain.
some of us have real hair.
Walking in the rain.
Anyway, I wanted to bring you guys along
now
for the 360 tour.
Eyes and
I'll let you not have to worry about her singing, but yeah, come enjoy the 360.
You can't sing, I'm just making noise, man.
Hey, she said it, not me. So, here's the 360 version of the Jamaica countryside. Enjoy. Well, it wouldn't be a fun little adventure if you never knew what you're actually going to the store for.
No, we're
going for bread.
Don't know what we're going to do.
Maybe oxtail. Dave claims he's never had oxtail before, and while it is usually a pretty expensive ordeal, we didn't spend all our money from last month, so Maybe you want to wait till Sunday for oxtail?
Yes, because let me tell you why I want oxtail.
Why?
So we were there sitting watching TV, and he was watching this YouTuber, and then
not us. He was
no,
watching the competition.
he was cooking oxtail. Maurice, something in him. Maurice.
Shout out.
Okay, so
We'll call him.
I subscribed to his channel from I was in the States. He live in Canada, and he was cooking oxtail fried chicken for dinner with rice and
Oxtail
peas.
fried chicken.
He was cooking oxtail and fried chicken and rice and peas, and he make a coleslaw.
Okay.
Yes, so it
Sounds
had
pretty
dinner.
detailed for
Yes,
someone that has a hard time.
yeah. So that's why Dave saw him making oxtail. So Dave said, "Oh, that look good. I can't make it oxtail feed." Dave don't know what the oxtail, but he just say that look.
So this is all your fault.
I never tell him to go up on my channel and go watch it and just see it, and he subscribe to already, so he just go watch it. So I'm like, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Well,
oxtail is it, so he just say want oxtail feed. So we can look oxtail on Saturday. Since he want oxtail. Okay? Which
all right.
be good.
We'll see who we come up with. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Shopping spree is over, and it was a success. Not gonna lie. Got some lower sugared cran strawberry flavored water, Lasco brand. Cool. And we found.
Strawberry.
Yeah, we found oxtail available. 2.2. It came out to about $10, $9.99. We're gonna do it like the Costco prices or like U.S. prices. $9.99 a pound for oxtail. I think that's actually cheaper than foreign, at least in Kauai. Weigh in on the comments. How much is your oxtail where you're at? Ours is about $10 a pound. And we also got some shrimps. So we're gonna have. Now the boys have never had Alfredo sauce before, so I'm a little nervous whether they're actually gonna like it. But we have some macaroni, some I think it's Prego name brand Alfredo sauce, and now we have some cooked shrimp we're gonna throw in it for a little bit of a pasta night.
It's a rainy night, so I gotta get stir.
Yeah, you got a rainy
Why not
day.
change it up?
Might as well go for some pasta. Take a day off of rice because you've had that pretty much every night for the last. We didn't have rice.
I have
had rice
dumpling and
last
banana. Tuesday,
Yeah. What day is it today?
Thursday.
Oh. Yeah, that's true. But either way, yeah, some pasta with Alfredo sauce and some shrimp Alfredo. You know, we never did eat Olive Garden at the Panama City.
Nope.
Didn't get those
We were gonna
breadsticks.
try, but
Yo, we could make festival with the pasta. It'd be like the Olive Garden breadsticks. You want to do that? So then you could dip
So
it
you
in the
make them
sauce.
long?
Eh?
You make them tall and skinny?
Well, you don't have to make them like actually. No, you can make it like regular
You want
festival.
them making out long tweed?
No, you could use that like your dipping sticks for the sauce.
But if you make them like a
Boy,
so it will look.
I don't
twist
judge on
around.
the shape of your festival. Do you?
Yeah.
You want to make it like a pretzel? That's up to you. I don't. It'll taste the same. So stay tuned. We'll see by the end of this episode whether or not the kids enjoy Alfredo sauce and pasta, or if they'll even appreciate the idea. What do you think?
Yeah, they complain about me dumpling this morning. It's okay. Me they can complain about
Your
it
rock
one on one.
dumpling.
Yes, it was tough for real. I don't know how them come out so tough, man.
maybe you know, like the dumplings are an extension of your soul. Am I getting too deep on you now? Like, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe the dumplings, yeah. They decided that, you know, you don't seem like you're too in a good mood, so we're gonna go ahead and be an extension of
No,
your
it
personality.
didn't
Rock hard on the outside and
No.
soft and squishy on the inside.
No, I'm sure needy. I'm sure as counterflour, so I'm sure put a little bit more baking powder and I instead. I put just a little. I think you look at mix with baking soda. Like a little twep. And then you'll be there.
Okay, well, you flip away and we're gonna get back to the house, hopefully, and not get rained on. That'd be good. Here we go. Okay. Mr. Determined over here, just taking off without you. Telling you, I'm ready. You coming with me or I'm leaving you behind. Thanks, dear. Appreciate that partnership that you got going on here. That there's no I in team mentality, but there is an I in Sonia and Christine. Hey, almost back home. Hopefully. Okay, remember we talked about like things that we love about Jamaica, and we were like, the weather, it's amazing. It's a tropical climate. Yeah, you know what else I'm happy about? Not having to go to work right now, because if I had to go to work, whew, it would be difficult to do in the rain. Right, dear? What? She's snooping on my monologue. You got something to say? I can see you. It's like we're in different areas of the house right now. All you gotta do is crack a window and we're back together again. She's watching one of those Hallmark movies, Lifetime Originals. I don't make this stuff up. Here, I'll show you. You see that? You see that? Hallmark. Yes. There you go, dear. You cannot deny you watch your lovely Hallmark movies. They look great. I'm happy for you. And that's why we now have this separate space where I can watch my movie in real life. Like my man-made waterfall out here when the gutters are overflowing. I hope the chickens are okay. Yeah, they'll be fine. Let's... You guys are good? Yeah, I'm glad we put some rocks in there. Stay dry. All right. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Watch your dirty feet. If your socks are wet, please take them off accordingly. And thank you. It's a rainy day, man. You wanna drive? Oh, yeah, Junior, you brought a friend. That's not your friend?
No.
Oh, she's kind of cute.
I
don't know what that means. I'm gonna stay off the rug, please, and thank you. Bobby.
Bobby.
Where are you going? There's no food yet, I promise. There'll be food later.
Alright, I'll come back later.
Bye, puppy.
Alright, later.
You got about 2 more weeks and they're not gonna fit through that gate.
Alright.
We better start eating because all they're gonna do is get ripening faster and faster. Well, let Dave eat a banana if he wants a banana. I had one this morning, it was fantastic. Sonia even tried it. Oh, the banana dance. Watch out. Okay. Oh, okay. That was...
surprised now.
Wow. I'm good, thanks for asking.
It's not ready. Go ahead for this one.
Only one banana a day? I'm gonna ask Google about this, hold on. What did you do?
Are you put stain up there, man?
Why did you stain up the wall?
I did not, you would do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Google says 1 to 2 bananas a day. You're welcome.
Adaptation way, you know.
Sup? Yeah, you're home early. Yeah. So it's a good thing we had a workout today to get some of that energy out because unfortunately Craig is home early for reasons beyond my ability to share based on Craig's request and to try and respect Craig. So yeah, we'll have to deal with that tomorrow. But in the meantime, Craig's going to work on what he was supposed to do last night before we decided to move on to other things because there wasn't much interest. And we're going to work on area of a triangle and then try and sort out triangle and trying to sort out how we're supposed to proceed when all my toys are collecting dust because kids don't follow what they're supposed to do and therefore don't get to use them. So one thing I appreciate Craig coming home and being honest about it. Unfortunately, he kind of had to because it requires parental attendance. But yeah, some morning, afternoon, evening, good night, all of them. Yeah, I don't know. I will continue to exercise some patience and tolerance, and we'll work on triangles for right now and deal with other things that unfortunately are out of our control and Craig's decisions as they come along. So cue the time lapse. Area triangles, here we go. Dave, 6 times 8 is 40. 40 what? 48. It rhymes. 6 times 8 is 48. Now he's got it. Alright, we've done the homework, the chores are getting done. Dave especially likes to get his stuff done early because he likes the video games, but it's been really instrumental in getting him up and ready for school on time or even early so he can play a little bit. And now he gets home so far these last few days and straight to the books, getting the homework done. He's doing his chore right now and guess he'll get to play, but that's not why we're here right now. We're in the kitchen because we're going to do some fusion. Are you ready? First up, that's right. We're going to make something the way Mom used to do it, opening bags and bottles and cans. Macaroni twists. This is going to be interesting because the kids have never had Alfredo home style Prego. Not cheap here. New, great tasting recipe. It says right on the can. Can. Glass. Jar. Yeah, so we're going to do that. We're going to do that. And we splurged a little bit because we didn't bust the budget last month. We'll be tossing in a bunch of shrimp as well. So there's a lot of shrimp in this thing. Cool. But we're going to do some fusion because we don't have any breadsticks, right? Sorry, Olive Garden, we didn't get it. But we did get Festival. So Sonia's going to festival it up. I'm going to toss it up and we'll see what the kids think of it. Here we go. Oh, funny story actually. We bought Wife claims it's a little fresh, so we can only add one thing, Craig. What is it?
Pepper.
Not just any pepper. This is
Sauce.
unsponsored home choice crushed red pepper. You know what I like about this sauce compared to the other sauce? Do you know, Craig? Do you know?
Let me tell you.
What? Why do I like this one better than the rest of them?
Cause that not too much bone.
No, it's
Like,
hot. It's hot.
they're
Craig.
not.
It's hot.
But yes, you already. They are that as
What he's trying to say is this doesn't have any vinegar in it. It doesn't have any other fake additives of sorts, and there's no vinegar, which surprised me. All it has in it, hold on,
I know.
West Indian red peppers, onion, salt, and a little xanthan gum to keep it from separating. That's it. Throw it in your pasta.
I know so hot. You not.
Neither are you, Craig. Neither are you.
You not.
Nice.
Just you know.
What happened, Craig?
So now bone me.
What happened? It's hot? I thought it wasn't that hot, Craig.
So now bone me.
You gonna be okay? Kids. Alright, pasta's ready, not gonna lie. A little spicy. But we got some Festival to help us out. I got some Sonia to help us out.
12 months.
Almost ready. He's going to shut the chicken coop door. You believe it? I don't see her yet. Maybe she got lost. You're doing great, dear. All right. Little to the right. Okay, for the record, I cooked dinner, so she said she would do this, not realizing how wet it was back there. You're doing great, dear. Almost there. Just keep swimming. Hi, Junior. Oh, moment of truth. Just moving the rock. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait, she's picking up extra stuff. Honey, you don't have to housekeep the pit, man. Just close it. You're doing great. Alright. Knew she could do it.